Hi friends! Today, we're heading to the amazing Ethno Belek Hotel, located in the heart of the resort paradise, Belek. This is a place where modern luxury meets warm Turkish hospitality. Ready to find out why this hotel has become a favorite among travelers? Let's get started. Ethno Belek is a new 5-star hotel that opened its doors in 2024. It's located just 800 meters from the public Sarık Belek beach and spans a vast area of $100,000 meksurs. The hotel consists of a 7-story main building and cozy 2-story villas, making it ideal for both family vacations and romantic getaways. The target audience is families with children, couples, and groups of friends looking for a comfortable stay with plenty of entertainment and top-notch service. Let's start with the territory. Ethno Belek offers guests 7 outdoor pools and 1 indoor pool, as well as a Dapper water park with 8 slides. A private sandy beach with free sunbeds, umbrellas, and towels, 18 bars, and 7 a la carte restaurant featuring cuisines from around the world, from Latin American to French. A way spa center with a Turkish bath, sauna, and hot tub. And kids club, teen club, children's slides, and even babysitting services upon request. The rooms are a highlight. Each room includes a coffee machine, a free minibar with soft drinks, free Wi-Fi, a balcony with garden or sea views, all the essentials for comfort, air conditioning, TV, safe, and even a humidifier. Dining is a true culinary delight. Guests can enjoy a buffet breakfast, continental breakfast, or a la carte breakfast. The a la carte restaurants offer Italian, Asian, Greek, and other cuisines. Entertainment options are plentiful. There are animations and live music and a gym, yoga, lanier, pilates, and aqua aerobics, tennis courts, beach volleyball, and bike rentals. Guests rave about the attentive staff who go above and beyond to meet every need. They especially praise the cleanliness, variety of entertainment, and quality of food. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some guests note that the hotel is 3 km from Belek town and 45 km from Antalya city center, which may be inconvenient for those who want to explore the surroundings. Also, despite the variety of restaurants, there can be queues during peak hours, especially at the a la carte restaurants. Tip: to avoid inconvenience, book restaurant tables in advance and plan transfers for excursions. My impressions of the hotel are overwhelmingly positive. This place is perfect for those who want to enjoy a beach vacation, delicious food, and a packed entertainment program. I recommend visiting the spa center and trying the dishes at the Greek restaurant. And don't miss the live music and disco in the evening. It's a real celebration. So, Ethno Belek is a hotel that will definitely leave a lasting impression. Luxurious rooms, amazing food, a wide range of entertainment, and a warm atmosphere. It has everything for a perfect vacation. If you're looking for a place to relax with your family or a group of friends, this hotel is your best choice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more about the best hotels in the world. See you next time.